Hello, so what's up guys? Welcome again to the new video about the trading and sa lahat ng mga traders, to all traders around the world, to all beginners and would like to learn about trading. This is very important video because everybody uh, likes to know about the income of trading. Yes, so I will just make a sneak peek or a small information regarding some questions that for a trader, that how much he can earn for a day by just trading forex or by just trading a buy and sell of a currency. Yes, actually, the main reason why banks like deposits from us, when we go to the banks and fall in line, then we make a deposit. So this is asset for them, and uh, when they when they take out money or when you withdraw money, so this is a liability for them. Yes, because first of all, why this comes an asset? Because banks trade just like what we are doing. Okay, the very difference is that I am not talking in general, but the banks give only small, reasonable, and safe interest rate for every capital that you put. Yes. So for example, you put 2 million pesos. So let's have a small computation, 2 million pesos. Then, okay. So per year, you will get some 0.03. For example, 3%. Yes. I think, I don't remember, but I think that's the estimated for a year. So you're earning 60,000 for your capital for a year. Okay. But for example, you put the money, you put the money in the bank, so they have to pay you 60,000 pesos per year. So it's some sort of asset for them and also one kind of liability. But the bank, why they still banks still stay for many years. Why? Because they earn more than what they spend. Okay? They are not focusing on trading the money just like what I'm doing. Banks manage banks manage our money. Okay, so they distribute this our money to different kind of streams of income. It is like investing. The thing is, we receive less, okay, and banks receive more. Okay, so in this video I will just show you to how to earn on this trading. Okay, so this is the broker that I use. Okay, this is the broker. Now I am still on a practice account because I'm still testing some strategies. Okay, so let's continue. For example, you have a Euro USD. Okay, then this is, for example, your capital. Your capital is what we call is $11,000. Yes, $11,000. Okay, so how would you know how much you will bet, or how much is your lot size for this? Okay, how much you will trade for this? Okay, so you will see here on this side, okay, there is what we call amount. Okay, the amount here is the amount that you trade for a session. So for example, you have 11,000. Normally, if you trade professionally, if you trade in professional way, you have to risk 1% of your capital, not more than, okay, 1% of your capital. So for example, is you have 11,000, you have to you have to calculate the 1% of the 11,000. So your lot size or your trade size per trade is 110 US dollars. That's the what we call is the maximum Okay, the maximum that you should put based on your capital. Then, if you ask me, what is the reason why I put 110, why I risk 1%? It's because if you lose like this, if you see these red candles, if you see these red candles consecutively, so for example, if you trade here, okay, if you trade here higher, okay, higher, so it means when you trade here, then it goes down, for sure you will lose, okay. Then you will trade again here, you will do what we call this money management or increase system. Okay, increase system. Later on, after this video, I will make again another video. This is regarding the my money management that I use. Okay, so if you lose again here, here until here, so you cannot avoid this one. Yes, we cannot. That's why in a trading world, uh, we are engaging in a risky system. Yes, because although we can study this kind of charts, this kind of chart patterns or movement, but the mere fact is that we are not gambling. Trading is not gambling. Okay, if you put yourself in some kind of trading education, then you will learn. You will learn the movement. You will learn. You will get the pulse of the market. Okay, so right here, why we don't enter this trade, because this is uh, this is constricted. Okay, this is the end of the trading session, so we are avoiding 1 hour before the trading uh, session ends. Then this is consolidated area. You see there is no volume here, and suddenly it goes down. It goes down here and it goes down here, and as you can see of our moving averages, the blue, the red, it's together each other. So there is no clear picture that there is a trend happening. So you should avoid this kind of trades. Okay, so let's go back to the money management. The reason why I put 1% is to compensate or is to control my risk. Okay? Because if I put 50% there, then I can trade only 2. Then my account, the whole 11,000 is blown up. Okay? So now, let's go back to the topic, how much I will earn for $110. Okay? So, as you can see here, on binary options, I will be earning 50% of $110. Yes? So 50% of $110 is 55. So for every candle, I put 1 minute. Okay. For example, here, this is one candle. This is 1 minute. If I trade after this, after here, down, below, so the next candle goes down, then after 1 minute, then I will be having 100, okay, 110, okay, the capital will be back plus the $55, okay, the $55. So I'll be earning 165. Yes. So imagine, imagine that if you have, imagine that if you have uh, uh 20,000 or $30,000 in your account, then you should risk 1%. So your bet size is $300, correct? So if we put 300 here, so your 1 minute trade, if you win, okay, if you win on that trade, then you will get 150. Okay? You will have a return of 300 plus 150. Okay? So the net income, the net profit for the whole for the 1 minute trade is $150. If we convert this to peso, let's say the world conversion is 51, then we have 7,650 per trade. Okay? Imagine that. Imagine that you are trading 4 session or 4 trades in a day. Okay? So, let's say 150. If you win 4, if you have a good trades of 4 wins, so $600. Okay? So, if we multiply it by 51, which is for the Philippine markets, 30,600 PHP divided by 51 again, so $600. This is per day. Okay? As a professional trader, as a pro trader, uh, I don't exceed more than 4 trades per day. I don't exceed. My maximum trades per day is only I do 3 trades, 3 consecutive wins. So the question is, how if you win on the first trade, then if you lose on the second trade? Okay? So you will add 1 trade again. Okay? You will add 1 trade again. So your trade will be 4. Yes? So you have to have a 3 wins. Okay? A 3 wins and 1 lose. Okay? I will make you a clear example. Okay? So, so, okay. These green candles are winning trades, yes? And these red candles are losing trade. So, if you got these three trades win, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minutes, then win, then you should leave the market, yes? Okay? This is the reason why we are in the trading, because if we are in the trading, then we have to enjoy our time. We have to have financial and time freedom. This is part of financial time freedom. Why? Because although you are working for money, but you can choose what you like. You can choose whatever time you like, as long as you are considering the news that it will affect the market. So if you win this and you got red, or you lose the next trade, then you have to trade again. But you have to add another one. Okay? You have to add another one. So you will trade 4. But okay, what is the time that I leave the market? Okay, when I have losing trade, maximum of 2. I do maximum 2 losing trade. If I lose one, the first one, and I lose the second one, then I will leave the market immediately. Immediately. You have to remember that word, immediately. Okay? Never fight the market. Never expect the market that will give you money every day. Never expect the market that always good. Okay? It seems like your boss. It seems like the boss treat you. Sometimes it's good manner. Sometimes it's in a bad atmosphere. So this is the same like the market. Even you see a good opportunity like this, then it is not happening over and over again, but the opportunity, okay, the discipline, the risk management that you applies, it affects the increase of your capital. Okay, so maximum of 3 win trades and maximum of 2 losing trades. Okay, on the next video, I will clarify to you I will clarify to you some points regarding the risk management. Okay? Now, I only give the information how much you can earn. Okay? How much you can earn in trading. On the next video, I will show to you the actual risk management, actual money management that I use during my trading. Okay? So imagine that if you have $20,000, okay, I think it's quite hard to accumulate $20,000, but okay, but if you are working right now, then you have to think of accumulating some capital. Everything comes with the capital. Every income comes with the capital. Invest in knowledge, invest in this what we call trading. Then you should start doing this one. Yes. Imagine that a normal employee can earn 7,500, or let's say 2 trades, 15,000 per month. Imagine that you are earning that in just one day, and you are doing that in silence. Yes, it is not impossible, but this is the reality of trading. This is what you should learn. This is the channel. This is the videos that you should adhere to. Okay, because if you are looking for freedom, if you are dreaming for something, then you should act. You should find something that will suits your goals. Okay, what is your goal? If you're looking for investment, then do not do trading. Okay, if you put money here, it will not grow unless you trade for it. So this kind of system, this trading is what we call additional income. Okay, this is what we call a time. You can do this on part time. You can do this in the long term or full time, but make sure that you are equipped with knowledge, and you can sustain, you can maintain your income, because the real wealth is how much you can keep. Not only the money, but the feelings, everything that you can keep, whatever happens to the market or adverse condition in life. So I think I will end this video now for a moment. Then on the next video, I will clarify to you how I manage my money, how I manage my capital for trading, so that I can control the risk whenever there is what we call is a losing strikes that we experience. Once again, keep liking and subscribing my channel, and you can free to message me on my personal account and open some topics that we can cover, and I think it's very important. Thank you very much.